This video production is sponsored by RD Sales and Service Limited. We service what others sell. For all mechanical repairs, trust our professionals. RD Sales and Service is a proud sponsor of the number 17 Super Truck and Sprint Car.
Bathrooms, Joey's only, number 2, Jamie Vernos. And on the outside, the 55 is Glenn Manning. Glenn Manning making a return back to the Super Truck division. This is an ex-Murray Cozy truck. Murray moving on to the Midwest Modified division, driving the number 55 Midwest Modified now. Inside row number 4, the 04, sponsored by GW Transmission, is Wayne Grosky. Outside in the Dynasty Bathrooms, MacDon number 1 is Derek Pollock. And rounding out the field out of Lake Bronson, Minnesota, the number 14 is Michael Braggett. Pardon me? We do have two. That's his son, isn't it? Kevin Braggett owns KBR Chassis, and his son Michael is driving. We think. Nobody's sure. There's a Braggett in the number 14. All right, green flag is out. We're racing in the Super Trucks. Here we go. Don Gio gets a nice lead early here. Into turn number 3, the Miller Racing Engines number 25. Man, he's looking strong. Here comes Vernos into the 3rd spot now. And he gets by in, so now Jamie Vernos already into 2nd. Gio now battling with the 2. What a great race down the back straightaway, but Vernos has way too much there. As he goes inside on turn 3, Gio goes high. New leader already. Jamie Vernos started 5th, is now 1st in the Joey's only number 2. Wow. Is that guy moving? Vernos already with about a half a straightaway lead. 2nd spot is the 25 of Don Gio. 3rd, the number 18 is Dustin Enns. He started on the pole. And 4th, Cord Allard in the Adams Detailing Products number 92. All right, 3 to go for your leader, and he's got a full straightaway lead. A good race now for 2nd and 3rd. The 92 battling with the truck number 25. Gio managing to hold on in the Miller Racing Engines number 25, but the 92 is right there and waiting for a mistake. White flag is out, 1 to go. Well, that's for 2nd and 3rd. Jamie Vernos has more than a straightaway lead in the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2. Checkered flag is waving, and he's across the line first. The Ambrosi Lighting and Electrical 2 is your winner. 2nd place, Don Gio coming across the line now. 3rd, Cord Allard, then Dorge in the 17. So no doubt about it, Jamie Vernos in the Dynasty Bathrooms number 2, part of the Gotta Go race team with the number 1 of Derek Pollock in turn number 4. Very convincing win. He started 5th and within 2 laps was 1st, and at the checkered flag had, well,